Alright guys, welcome back to Tactical Pontoon, and today I'm going to do a quick video to answer some questions that I've seen on the PSA Dagger groups when it comes to upgrading connectors and what connector actually comes with the Dagger out of the box. So, let's take a look. Let me move my beautiful face out of your way. This is the Trigger Jedi sticker. You can get one of these with your order. You know you want one. It'll look great on your safe. It'll look great on your toolbox. Adds 15 horsepower to your car. Bet you didn't know that. Okay, so here we go. This is a connector from a Dagger. This is the latest version. I guess some of the original ones had a DLC coating. It looks like they just went polished on the latest generation, probably just for manufacturing purposes. The amount of daggers they sell is there's quite a few of them. So my guess is just from a manufacturing standpoint, it was easier just to do polished versus sending them out for DLC coating. That's my guess. Okay, so here it is. This little guy right here, it looks like a standard Glock connector. So, how are we going to know what this connector is rated for? The easiest way to do that, and what I'm going to show you here today, is by taking another Glock connector. This, you will notice, has a negative mark on it. This is a factory Glock negative connector, what they call a 3.5, a minus connector, or I believe Glock is calling them now 4.5 connectors. So what we're going to do is we are going to line these two connectors up with the geometry that matters for the connector to show that the Dagger connector is what people consider a 3.5 pound connector. So we've got our Dagger connector, and we've got our Glock negative connector, and I have them lined up. Let's see if I can show the camera here. All right, I have them lined up with one another, and you've got right here let's see if I can get that in better focus. There we go. There we go. On top, you have the Glock connector, and then on bottom, you have the PSA Dagger connector, and they are lined up. They are the same. The geometry is the same. So, what we can take from this is that the PSA Dagger connector is what is called a 3.5 pound connector. To further show this, I'm going to take the PSA Dagger connector and I'm going to line it up with an aftermarket 3.5 pound connector right here. Now, let me move my fingers. You will see that this is the Lantac SSR connector, which, if you watched my other video, you will know that this Lantac SSR connector is just a basic Ghost 3.5 pound connector, which you will normally find for about $15. As you can see, they line up. Their geometry is the same. All right? So, that is just a quick and dirty video on the PSA Dagger connector. It is a 3.5 pound connector out of the box. All right? So that's just a quick video on a connectors, or on the connector for the Dagger. Just a little tip. Not going to waste your time. There you go. Grab yourself a decal, a sticker from TacticalPontoon.com. If you've got any trigger questions, if you've got any trigger needs, you will find me on Tactical Pontoon. You can follow the videos here. Give it a like, give it a subscribe, and there will definitely be more trigger knowledge coming. Until next time, we'll catch you guys later.